welcome back with another video, guys. Yesterday I uploaded the video Miui 11 stable Android 10 based modded ROM, and I already showed you guys the installation process and a bit review, but this will be detailed review with gaming, so you guys can play game or not, and stay till the end to know the gaming performance, and you guys will be able to watch the gameplay at the end of this video. So now let's get started from the settings. Then yesterday I showed you there was no navigation bar, and I will drop that launcher, system launcher apk file in link in description. If you guys want to use that navigation bar, then just download that from the link in description and install, then you guys will get that navigation bar. Now let's talk about performance, and I will show you every single details today, so depth review you guys can say. And you guys already know about the Miui 11 control center, so that's it, and you guys can edit according to your choice, no problem. Now let me show you from the settings, and here is the about section, and here is the all specs. So I have 3GB variant and CPU baseband kernel by default kernel. We have that perf kernel, and I always like that kernel. And some of you guys always keep asking about kernel, because always default kernel always best, so don't use other kernel, I don't recommend to. And you guys can see both SIM card is working fine without any problem. You guys can get that preferred network type for 3 items like LTE, 3G and 2G as well. So here is this connection, sharing, cast, everything working without any problem here. And after that we have lock screen. That means, and I recommend you guys to don't use that wallpaper carousel, that means glance for MI. You guys can see, because it will consume your data in the background, and this gonna be a mess, and it can slow down your speed, and that's why I don't recommend to use that one. And here is the clock format you guys can use without any problem. And after that we have launch camera and pocket mode, everything is just working without any problem. And brightness level, you guys can select adaptive brightness or not, and here is the reading mode. And schedule, you guys can set according to choice. And here is the color scheme, you guys can set to warm, cool, whatever you want you guys can set, no problem. And standard, saturated, whatever you need you guys can do. And here is the dark mode, and you guys can set schedule. And text size, you guys can see here. The notch, you guys can hide notch according to your choice. And here is the battery percentage, notification shade shortcut, whatever you need you guys can select. And after that we have sound and vibration, just a bit modified. And here is the sound effect, if you when you listen to music through the earphones. And after that we have notifications, you guys can select according to choice. And here is the home screen as usual. If you download the launcher and install, then you guys will get the look like this, and you guys will be able to arrange items like this. So this is it, and if you select that one, then you guys will get like this, and animation will be there. So here you guys can see the animations, that's it. And you guys can use that wheel button like this to quick switch through the applications. This is it. And RAM management is better than the official version. And here is the wallpaper section. I deleted some wallpapers and lock screen, just only this one I am using right now, and pre-installed only 2. I added this one, which I am using right now. And of course you guys can use the theme store. Here is the theme store, you guys can use without any problem, and you guys can download themes, fonts, whatever you need. And after that, password security, fingerprint, face unlock, everything working without any problem here. And battery performance, battery is really great without any problem, you guys can use. Additional setting, full screen display, you guys can change button or full screen gesture, whatever you like. And remember one thing, when you are using that navigation toolbar, you guys won't be able to use split screen. And if you want to use this split screen, then just uninstall the update of your launcher. That's it, very simple. And here is the quick ball. If you want to enable, then we enable, otherwise leave it. And here is the accessibility, you guys can see. Toggle color correction, if you want to enable color correction, you guys can do, no problem. And you guys can remove animations if you want to smooth performance or something. What is that? And here is the thing, remove animation. If you don't want animation, then just use that feature from accessibility. That's it. And here is the additional settings. We are done with that. And you guys can see region is India, but here is no get apps. I removed the get apps and MI Pay, whatever the boarding applications already removed here. So that's all from the settings. And you guys can see the animations. This is the animations of the launcher modded. You guys can see. This is the cool thing, I guess. So this is it. And after that, you guys will be able to use that digital well-being, no problem. And special features, game turbo and light mode, quick replies, those are as usual things. And now let me show you a screenshot of the CPU throttling. And here is the CPU throttling 85%, which is really great. And another thing, you guys already know about that, I already showed it yesterday maybe, or maybe not, I'm not sure about that. And which is the best score, I guess, as it is Android 10 ROM and Geekbench score single 269, multi-core 1204, which is really great. And another hard thing is that safety net isn't passed by default, it is failed. You guys need to fix this manually. And if you guys want to fix this, then just follow my process. And here you guys will be able to download any themes, whatever you want, themes, fonts, whatever you need, you guys can use. This is the theme applications, and here is the security applications. As usual, you guys will get all the necessary items, no problem with that. Now let's talk about the important thing, how can we fix the safety net of that ROM. So first of all, just go to Magisk Manager, then go to module section and just type on search and type busy box. And here you guys can see the busy box. Just click on the file and install, and it will take some time. Here you guys can see in the background it's downloading. It's 9.45 megabyte. So you guys can see it's almost downloaded and will be flashed. So it's almost done. So don't reboot right now, just get back and again go to module section and then type another name, which is Magisk hide. Just type Magisk hide, and here you go. You guys can see now install this one too, and also this one will be flashed easily without any problem. So here you guys can see, so that we guys can change the fingerprint files. That's why we are flashing these files. So when you are done, just do a reboot, and you guys clearly see here, just click on reboot and let it boot first. Device booted, you guys can see. And now just go to Play Store and download Terminal Emulator or download Termux. I already downloaded Termux. You guys can see here the Termux application. Just open the Termux and give the super user permission. Just type SU like this and just enter, and it will ask for root permission, then grant it. And when you are done, just type props. That means properties, that means properties. Just type props and it will load for a while. And here is the list, so wait for that. So here is the list, and just click one. We will choose number one, edit device fingerprint. Just click on that. So here you guys can see pick a certified fingerprint, that means F number one, that means type F. You guys can see here F, just type F, and here you guys will get all the device list. And we have Xiaomi in 30, just type 30 number, just type 30, and here you guys will get all the Xiaomi models, and I'm using here Redmi 7, so let me find out. And here you guys can see number 67, Xiaomi Redmi 7 global version, and we are using the global version, so type 67 and click enter. And here you guys can see, make sure that it is correct before continuing. Do you want to continue? And type yes, that means Y. Type Y and working, and let it be done. So now it's done, and it's now asking for reboot your device, reboot. So type Y. If you don't reboot, then it won't take effect, so let it boot first. So device finally booted, and let me show you right now device safety net passed or not. So let me open safety net application, or you guys can check it on your Magix manager if you are using latest Magix 23. And if you're using the Canary version, then you guys won't get that option inside of the Magix. So safety net status is checking. Sometimes it takes so much time. So here you guys can see safety net is passed by default, no problem with that. And this is really a very easy way to fix any device, to fix safety net. You guys can follow this process, no problem with that. And hope you guys understand the video. And if you guys have any problem and any question, then let me know in the comment section below. And this is the video for today, guys. And if you guys really like my work, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss the further update. So thank you for watching. Here you guys are watching gameplay in Miui 11 stable modded version, which I already provided video yesterday. So here is the gameplay, and I didn't found any lag and stutter still now. So let's enjoy the gameplay. And you guys can see the smoothness. I don't know why they landed here. Scope in and out is very faster. So let me fight back. my ping is very high, so that's why you guys can watch a bit ups and downs, but not problem. Ping is very high because PUBG is banned in our country, so that's why. Nothing is here, and I didn't face any lag, any stutter, not a bit. So this is gonna be another gaming room for you guys. If you have 3 GB RAM and 2 GB, I don't know because I don't have 2 GB. In 2 GB RAM, 3 GB RAM, you guys can easily play games without any problem. And you can see the experience is really good, great, no problem with the gameplay. So hope you guys understand the gameplay, and this is really great. You guys can play a game without any problem.